I explained you the system CAST and class. We also compared and contrasted the two systems, and we critically evaluated the two systems. Now it's your turn. I would like you to work on one-liner takeaways from the chapter we did today, and just try and be creative and innovative. And for that, I would give you a few examples from my own class which can help you to work on those liners. One is this. One of the students did draw, and then there was another drawing actually I had. Then there is this.
Like, I have an associate's degree and I'm getting paid the same as my parents.
All right, and I have this.
First one in my family to go to college, but unfortunately, since there's no social mobility, I'll be making just as much money as them.
All right, so we have here a few of our examples, and I would like you to start working on one-liners from the class. And again, please be creative and innovative. You have options to draw, you have options to speak one-liners, and also to write. So just go ahead and